Welcome back to our channel where we are all about helping you succeed on YouTube. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that every content creator wants to master: how to find viral YouTube tags that can skyrocket your video's reach and engagement. We'll be exploring two powerful methods: using YouTube search features and leveraging the Rapid Tags website. Let's get started. The first method we'll explore is using YouTube search features to identify potential viral tags for your videos. Follow these steps. Begin by brainstorming keywords related to your video's topic. These keywords should reflect what reviewers might search for. Type in your main keyword or phrase in the YouTube search bar. As you type, your YouTube's auto suggestions will provide related search queries. These suggestions can offer valuable insight into what people are looking for. Click on a relevant auto-suggested query. Scroll down to the video result and check out the tags used by top-ranked videos. These tags can give you an idea of what's currently popular in your niche. Leveraging Rapid Tags website. Now let's explore an online tool that can help streamline your tag search: the Rapid Tag website. Follow these steps. Access Rapid Tags. Open your web browser and go to rapidtags.io. This website offers various tools for YouTube creators, including a tag generator. Enter your keyword. In the tag generator, input your video's main keywords or phrases. Click on Generate Tags. Analyze results. Rapid Tags will generate a list of related tags based on your keyword. Review these tags and select the ones that best fit your video's content. Additional insight: you can also explore the Search Ranking Kings section on Rapid Tags. This feature provides information about the popularity and competition level of specific tags. And there you have it. Two effective methods to find viral YouTube tags for your videos. By utilizing YouTube search features and the Rapid Tags website, you will be equipped with valuable insight that can boost your video's visibility and engagement. Remember, tag search is an ongoing process, so keep experimenting and optimizing to stay ahead in the YouTube's game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on growing YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.